Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to show you our new home office setup for the new year. After 2 years of sharing the same table and chair, we have realized that we have different styles and preference for our home office setup in terms of color scheme, orientation and height of the monitors, height of the table, height of the chair, and what we place on our tables. Essentially, the husband cannot take my mess and I cannot stand his OCD. For example, I will always have my rubber band hair ties, tissue paper, desk fan, warm tea and earpiece which are always lying around on the desk. And the husband will need his external mic, external keyboard, spectacles box, 2 laptops, 2 phones and 1 iPad. Hence, in 2023, to increase our productivity, we have decided to break up. We have decided we will each get our own dedicated ergonomic setup so that we can live in peace and harmony. We got the Everdesk Plus Max Standing Desk in white to pair with the lily white table surface for me as I prefer a bright setup, while the husband got the Everdesk Plus Max Standing Desk in black paired with the aged darkened walnut for a darker theme. We opted for the 120 by 60 cm tabletop size due to space constraints in our small HDB flat. The new Everdesk Plus Healthcoach controller is touchscreen and has an auto-lock function after 10 seconds. It is easy to unlock as you can swipe your finger across or tap 1, 2, 3 in that order to adjust the height of your desk. You can turn the knob towards the left to lower and turn it towards the right to raise the height of the desk. You can also turn off the auto lock feature if you don't need it. You can save up to 3 favorite desk heights and can even set maximum and minimum height limits for safety. The more interesting thing is that it comes with a sit stand reminder which is customizable and will vibrate and remind you to stand up every now and then. It even comes with a progress bar that displays your progress throughout the day. It is a standing desk after all, and it would be a waste not to use this feature. You can pair it with an anti-fatigue mat that comes with the setup to help you stand comfortably for longer. The desk comes with all-terrain Castor wheels which were installed to the table so that we can move the desk around if we like to change up the configuration. They are lockable like this as well, so that you can securely dock your standing desk where you want it to be. It comes with Everdesk proprietary UniGroove, which is a very useful innovation for cable management and attachment of the peripherals that come with the Everdesk ecosystem. Essentially, you can hide your stray charging cables and wires under the desk for better cable management. There is also a groove cutout from behind the desk if the wires are too large to fit through the UniGroove. You can also put your iPad or phone here without a stand so that you can check for the notification pop-ups. If you need more space for better organization, there are quite a few options to choose from Everdesk to zheng up your setup. There is a matching shelf that you can install on your desk for additional space and layer to put items such as a fake plant and also store your keyboard, additional hard disks or documents under it. There is also a Pegboard that you can install to store loose items and knickknacks such as your USB sticks, SD cards, rubber ties, Polaroids, aircon remote, hang your glasses or even put up important reminders and notes just to keep things off the desk. It also doubles up as a divider if you want some additional privacy. You can also decorate your Pegboard to your heart's desire and let your personality shine through your Pegboard. There is an Underdesk storage attachment which allows you to have a little drawer system with easy and quick access to some items that you might need, like notebooks or other small items. It is quite sturdy and it is attached to the desk, so you can use it in both standing and sitting configurations. If you want to have additional storage options, you can also opt for this Curvi mobile pedestal, which has 3 separate large drawers of varying sizes to suit your home office needs. There are internal dividers for documents and even a stationery tray at the top drawer. Our study room lacks storage as we do not have any carpentry built in. Hence, this flexible modular pedestal is a great option to allow us to store our items neatly. There are a variety of monitor arms available that is compatible with the UniGroove. We opted for the dual monitor arm with a laptop holder as we own laptops and do not have a PC. The laptop holder allows easy docking and undocking of the laptop to your home setup when you need to. The design and holes at the back also helps prevent overheating and better ventilation of the laptop. The laptop holder comes with rubber pads which are soft and will help to prevent scratches on your laptop. The good thing about the laptop stand is that it keeps the laptop off the table, allowing for more free space on the desk, and lets you use an external keyboard if you want to. They also have a keyboard wrist pad for additional comfort to prevent developing carpal tunnel syndrome. The monitor arm is sturdy and can support up to a 32-inch monitor with a standard VISA mount. You can also purchase an additional hover light bar if you do not have a good light source over your desk, which can help with eye strain during those late nights of studying or working. If you do decide not to use the laptop holder, you can remove it and the additional arm can still serve as an extra monitor arm for a dual monitor setup. You can then use the laptop docks or laptop stand to hold the laptop up, which are also available from Everdesk. Cable management is great with the Everdesk setup. There are cable holders along the stand which can help to keep your cables in check, and also an additional power extension tray below the table to hide the power extension, so that you only have a single cable running from the table to your entire setup. Options of a cable spine is also available if you do have more cabling running to your desk so that you can have better cable management for a more aesthetic setup. There is also a power cube extension for quick power access if you do need it on your desk so that you don't have to bend down to access the power extension in the tray. The perfect match for the Everdesk Plus setup is the Ergotune Supreme. It comes in 3 different stunning colorways: charcoal black, coral red, and aqua blue. There are also 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, to fit your height. It has apparently 11 points of adjustment which you can customize to fit your body posture and preference for the most ergonomic sitting position. It is also made of breathable mesh material which is suitable for the hot and humid weather. The 3 most loved features are the headrest, the lumbar support, and the armrest. The headrest has many adjustable positions which you can find the ideal height, depth, and angle to support your neck. The lumbar support can also be tuned in stiffness and automatically adjust according to your movements. Lastly, the armrest is an innovative design that can rotate up to 270 degrees so that you can read a book, browse your phone, or just rest with your arms and elbows supported. Say goodbye to neck and back aches from long hours of working at your desk with all these incredible features. A very big thank you to Everdesk and Ergotune for the new home office setup. You can also check out their website, which is essentially a one-stop shop where you can start to build your own customized setup tailored to your own needs. We recommend you to opt for the installation as it is really fuss-free and the staff are very professional and fast, with the setup being done in less than an hour for each desk and chair. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.